Yo, what's good? It's your boy Dontee Weaver back with another video. I've been waiting to do this video for a long time. I don't think I posted too much about it, but this is an eviction walkthrough. My first eviction, my first property, and I already got to evict somebody, so.
They saying Dontee did it again.
Just a quick backstory. I gave him a 60-day notice last year. And I'm just getting them out mid-June of the following year. So I haven't collected no rent for the whole year. Which is crazy. Then they're supposed to be out. We went to court in February. They're supposed to be out in March. March come, the lawyers put the wrong address on the paperwork, so that extended the eviction.
Got him! Got him!
About 2 days before the eviction, the pandemic happened, so that prolonged everything.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Then the governor put the moratorium in, which says no evictions for non-payment. I even tweeted, I might put a screenshot, I tweeted the governor about it. I emailed the town. It was like, that's a flawed thing, because that's my eviction, and I'm pretty sure other people, their evictions did, they had nothing to do with non-payment of rent. So, some might say it's insensitive, might get some thumb down. But with that being said, like the video, comment, any questions, comment, go into detail on another video. I don't want to get too caught up in this. I want y'all to see the walkthrough. What else? Sheriff showed up. They even asked for more time. After all this time they've been there, they knew they had to go. They asked for more time.
How about now?
So, what else before I get into this? Y'all let me know what y'all think. Tag all the real estate dudes. Meet Kevin. Do a review on this video. Tag Graham, David Chandler Smith, Bigger Pockets, anybody that wanna review it and what they would have done different or whatever, but y'all gonna see. So I got some renovation to do after this. I'm gonna do it, like I said, I'm gonna do a part 2 with any questions y'all ask and giving the full breakdown of the story, the journey, dealing with inherited tenants, what you can learn from my situation. If you've been through it before, something I still can learn something from it. And I put my Bitcoin address, Litecoin, Cash App if y'all want to donate to the cause of me renovating. Because I don't get paid for doing YouTube. I don't have enough watch time. Unless you want to watch this 100 times and get it 10 million views, and I might get a couple dollars off of it, but I don't get a cent from YouTube. Not a penny. So, enjoy the video. If you're not subscribed already, subscribe. Share it with somebody else. It's a horror story. Learn from it. Enjoy it. I'm out. I forgot, click the links in the description if you want a free stock with Robinhood. Just for signing up, you don't got to deposit no money, and sign up with Webull for 2 free stocks after you deposit $100. You get 2 free stocks for up to $1,400. And if you need life insurance, click that link too. You get a quote in like 5 minutes. No obligations. Yeah, just go down there and see what's in there. It's a lot of free stuff. No obligation. And it's affiliate links, so I might get a small commission depending on what it is.
Oh my God! Wow! Every 60 seconds in Africa, a minute passes. Together we can stop this. Please spread the word. Thank you for your attention.
And last but definitely not least, follow me on all the streaming platforms. Run those numbers up. Dontee Weaver on all platforms. Spotify, Tidal, Apple Music. Share the music. Follow me on all other socials. The blockchain, social media, all that. Links will be in the description.
They saying Dontee did it again.